In this lesson, we're going to look at multiplying and dividing integers. And if you keep this rule in your head, I think this will be an easy process for you. If the signs are the same of the two numbers that you are multiplying or dividing, that is, they are both positive or both negative, then your result will be positive. If the two signs of the numbers that you are multiplying or dividing are opposite, so one's positive and one's negative, then your result will be negative. So if we look at this first example, 3 times 7, we know that that result is 21. But if we now use what we have just learned above with the rules for integers, both 3 and 7, there are hidden positive signs here that we don't write, and therefore those two signs are the same, therefore this result is positive. Let's look at another example. Let's take 4 and multiply that by -6. So just look at the numbers first, don't look at their signs. So 4 times 6, that's going to be 24, and the 4 is positive, the 6 is negative. Those signs are opposite, and so this result will be a negative. Let's look at this example. Let's take -5 and multiply it by -8. So again, forget about the signs and just worry about the numbers for the first part. Let's take 5 and multiply that by 8, and we will get 40, and then that's a negative and a negative, so the signs are the same, therefore that result will be positive. Looking at -9 multiplied by 6, the 9 multiplied by 6, well, that's going to be 54, and then one sign's negative, one sign's positive, so my result will be negative because those signs are opposite. Now looking at -9 multiplied by -11, again, focus on the numbers. 9 times 11 is going to be 99, and both of my signs are negative, therefore they're the same, and my result will be a positive 99. 12 multiplied by a -5. Well, 12 multiplied by 5 is 60. One of them's positive, one of them's negative, therefore this result will be -60. And finally, we'll do one division. If I look at 63 being divided by -9, again, I'm going to forget about the signs of the number, and I'm going to look at, well, what is 63 divided by 9? And I know that that result is 7. Because the 63 is positive and the 9 is negative, those signs are opposite, and therefore my final result is going to be -7.